Welcome back. I bought a blower from the internet. It's a cheap one. I think is around $30. But I think is a big lie. What we have inside? We have two batteries. Oak Bonds. I don't hear about this brand. They said it's a lithium battery, 48 volts. Okay. We have two batteries, 48 volt. We have a cheap charger. And here said output is 21 volts, 1 amp. So how is possible the charger is 21 volt and the battery is 48 volt? Is a big lie and a fake marketing. And this is the blower. The blower is pretty interesting. You can dry your car, you can do many things. Look, it's very powerful. But now, what is this video about? I want to open a battery to see if it's a big lie or not. So you can charge it here. I have a cheap multimeter also from AliExpress. My fluke is in my car, I'm sorry. It's not professional, but we can see the voltage with this also. Yeah, we have the light also. So the multimeter said we have 20 volt, 20.6 volt with the charger plugged. Let's see when I take out the charger. Drop 20.5. Good. Let's open the battery to see what we have inside. But you saw, it's a big lie. And look what special bolt have here. I don't know if I have something for this. Oh, is a 10 T10. Is a T10 head. I'm very curious how it's look inside. How look inside. I saw on the market a lot of cheap tools, a lot of Chinese tools with a fake marketing, 48 volt, 36 volt. What I can see, this seems to be the BMS, but is a really cheap one, because I saw the BMS from DeWalt and is very different. Oh, oops. But what I can say, at $30 to receive two battery, what do you expect? The weld looks okay. And here is the biggest lie. What we have here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battery, 8650 model, and is 3.5 to 3.7 volt, 1300 milliamps. So This battery, if the cell is in good shape and good quality, in this shape, this battery have 18 volt. 18 volt, 1.3 amps, not 48. What I say, we can measure here also, but just for fun. 20.5 is the charge, battery plus, battery minus, 20.5. Four volt, all the battery. So, is a lie or not? But again, for $30, what do you expect? Let's put this back. Four screws back. Let's measure again to see if everything is okay. No, it's okay. So, this is my video for today. So, this battery is a fake, a lie. Cannot be 48 volt any case in this shape. For 48 volt must be something bigger. But there are a lot of customers with no experience, and when they see a 40 volt Chinese cheap tool, they buy it. When they see, I don't know, a DeWalt tool, which is 4 or 5 times more expensive, I don't know, maybe 10 times more expensive, and they see just 20 or 80 volt, they said is lower quality, but that is a professional tool. This is just a lie. I don't recommend this for anything. Not for a hobby, not for anything. I prefer a good brand or cheap brand like Parkside, Angel, or another cheap brands which have a quality control, and you don't take fire with this fake BMS and shit. So, thank you very much for today. Ciao.